So this vise was made by American Scale Corporation in Kansas City. Number 203. Let's see. Dog works as it should. It's not pinned in. It can actually be taken out because this one has a thread in it. Pretty convenient. Let me just thread it back in. Nice and clean example. Jaws are not messed up. It wasn't abused. Right now it's tightened. Unlock. Pull out. Let's take a look at the inside of the jaws. Smooth, no issues there. Unlock. Unlock. Tighten. The brass nut for the quick release is actually brand new. Interesting story with it. When I got this vise, it was a little gunky, you know, like always with those things sitting in garages for decades. And when I disassembled it, I realized whoever was making the brass nut had a bad day. I don't know, 80 years ago, maybe 100 years ago. And so they didn't drill it right. You can see where the drill went. It's kind of sideways, right? That really bothered me. It still worked fine with this brass nut. There was nothing wrong with it. I was thinking about putting in, you know, like brass putty and there, epoxy, and then just drilling it again, but again, that bothered me. So I went ahead and I found a brand new brass nut. And what I found was that there is a Morgan Vise company that's still out there, and they're still making vices such as this. They sell for quite a bit of money. They're excellent vices. And the brass nuts in those actually fit this vise. So again, that's American Scale, number 203. And they also fit Colombian vices, which makes me think that either, you know, companies were subcontracting to each other back in the day quite a bit, or they were just basically stealing design from each other. I don't know whatever the deal is, but I know again the parts are pretty much interchangeable, so that's pretty neat. And here's the wooden handle ready to go. That's pretty much it. Very nice, solid vise.